Hi, I'm Fran Wyburn and I'm the musical director for Bradford Friendship Choir. The members voted on the song they would most like to teach you, and it's I Heard a Bird Sing.
This song speaks of hope and of joy.
It really reminds me about my first days in the UK, how the weather was. I was surprised, excited.
It reminds me of seasons, that even though you are here now, where you are right now is leading you to where you will be. So do enjoy the moment. It might not be pleasant, it might be cold, it might feel lonely, but if you don't go through this season, you will not get to the other season.
I really like that song because it's in a minor key, it's in a nice 6/8, and you can sing it in a round.
Because I was born in December, so whenever I sing it, I feel I'm born again.
So here goes. My turn, your turn. I heard a bird sing. Your turn. I heard a bird sing in the dark of December. In the dark of December, a magical thing, and sweet to remember, and sweet to remember. We are nearer to spring, we are nearer to spring than we were in September, than we were in September. I heard a bird sing, I heard a bird sing in the dark of December, in the dark of December. So let's put that together. 1, 2. I heard a bird sing in the dark of December, a magical thing and sweet to remember. We are nearer to spring than we were in September. I heard a bird sing in the dark of December.